All right, so this implicit usings, you may be asking yourself, okay, what is actually implicitly added in? I mean, obviously system, since it's not complaining about that and we can remove it, but is there a list of what is implicitly being used? Well, if you look over here, you can see your project here and you see dependencies. Let's go ahead and expand the dependencies. Inside of here, we'll have two items, .NET 6.0 and imports. And if we expand .NET 6.0, we'll see assemblies, analyzers, and frameworks. Let's go ahead and expand assemblies. And this has a single folder there named implicit, and this is a list of all the implicits which are automatically added in. You'll see quite a lot of them. In fact, all of the system is added. If you look up here at the top, you'll see system there. You'll see system.collections. There's system.console. Now, even though that is implicitly added, you can't resolve the symbol writeLine. You still have to say console.writeLine, but it does add in the system.console namespace. There's system.io for file input-output, system.link. We'll talk about link a little bit later in the semester. .NET for web traffic and HTTP or TCP and UDP. Runtime, security, text, so on and so forth. But all of these are implicitly added in. So when you have in your project implicit usings enable and you're running C#10, this is the list of everything which is implicitly added in there. So next time you have a question about what is actually getting added in, just look up at the top here, expand dependencies, expand .NET 6.0, expand assemblies, and you will see everything inside of that list there. 3, 2, 1. All right. Thanks for sticking around for this brief introduction. We went over creating a new Hello World program. We talked about what each of these components does using system, namespace, public class, static void, capital main, string args, kind of talked about that a little bit, console writeLine, and then console write. And then we also talked about this implicit usings and the language version and what this actually means and why you do not have to have this using system. And finally, we went and talked about where that list of implicit usings are and what is actually included and how you can find that by just expanding this dependencies, .NET 6.0, assemblies, and implicit, and you get the entire list there. Thanks for listening. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you for the next videos.